Why do 100% of humans get hiccups at some point? What's really going on when you can't stop that sound? Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, gets a little out of sync. Imagine it like a muscle spasm, but inside your chest. It's triggered by things like eating too fast, drinking carbonated drinks, or even sudden excitement. Your brain sends a signal that makes your diaphragm contract suddenly, causing a quick gulp of air. That's when your vocal cords snap shut and create that classic hic sound. While they're harmless, they sure can be annoying. Next time you get the hiccups, you'll know it's just your diaphragm throwing a little tantrum. Stay curious, health enthusiasts.